9:20 on May 18th. We are getting ready to board the Carnival Breeze at about 11 o'clock today. So we are in Titusville, right outside of Port Canaveral. As you can see, we are still at the hotel. So we are just waiting on family to finish getting ready, and then we're going to head over to the port. But today is cruise day. We are so excited. Time check. It is 10:41. We are driving into the terminals right now. So there is the Disney. Let's see what kind of ship that is. I can't see it.
Either the Fantasy or the Dream.
Yeah, so that's either the Fantasy or the Dream. Could not tell which one it was. So there is our ship for the week, Carnival Breeze. We are going to be boarding in about an hour. That is Carnival Breeze. We are cruise terminal 6. So you want to go straight. Yep.
A few moments later.
What do you think so far?
I think that I wouldn't be able to do this in another 50 years.
So we're going to make the most of this one right now, right? All aboard! All aboard! All aboard!
I like the music, man.
Hey, what's up, guys? It is 11:36. We are on the ship. We are already in our room. We had faster to the fun, so we had priority boarding. It was super quick, super easy, super fast. We stopped and took a picture. We are currently just waiting to for everyone to settle in, and then we are going to go out to the Lido.
You're still understanding what's the words that I'm telling to you right now. Do you understand that right now, although it is Saturday, when we set sail, there's a few things that happen?